Hi, Ron Paulk here. So it's Saturday evening. I wasn't planning on putting up a video, but I was just going and doing some cleanup, some cleaning, reading through comments, seeing if I needed to answer any questions. And I came across a link in the comments from Brinkley Trim. Michael, this was a link to a video he put up on YouTube where he took almost 10 minutes to give you a tour of his smart wood shop, his shop in a trailer. Hey, one thing before I forget, it gets mentioned and I've mentioned it before, but I want to say this. These concepts of building this portable wood shop, this shop in a trailer, work in a one-car garage, a two-car garage, a shed, a van, a box truck, or a really large truck. It's just being really efficient with your space and having things organized. It's working smart. It's being lean. But anyway, take a look at Michael's trailer. Take a look at how he did his drawers. It's the same concept where you don't need any hardware. It just slides in and the front drops down in a little notch. And all you have to do is lift it and pull it. It won't pull out, bounce it down the road. You just lift it and it slides out. Just like in the way I do it, where I have the little side notches. But he did a face frame. He made the face frame a little higher. The dado on the bottom of the drawer drops in. He tells you about it in here, so you get a chance to see it. So go over and take a look, watch his tour, and give him a thumbs up and also a comment. Thank him for this. You know, he took the time to go through and show you what he's done and his variations, and there may be something, even if it's just one thing, that you can take out of this and you can use. Hey, if you like these videos and you want me to keep sharing others' concepts, be sure to give me a thumbs up and to comment down below. And also, if you want to know when I put up a new video, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I do put up a new one. Hey, and if you want a set of awesome rolling toolbox plans to build your own trailer, truck, van, shop, whatever it is, whether you're a professional or whether you're a weekend warrior, a do-it-yourselfer, being organized, having good access to your tools is good for everybody. It doesn't matter if you're doing it for money or doing it for yourself. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.